Youth policy exists on European and national level, and often also on regional and local level. Youth work policy is, however, not always very visible in these policies. Sometimes it's totally missing, sometimes it's said to be incorporated in or covered by more general texts or sections regarding culture and leisure. However, it is for many reasons important for local level actors that there is a specific and clearly articulated municipal youth work policy. A clear and well-anchored policy shows what could be expected from different actors, which are the priorities and which values that are to be promoted. It also makes clear the roles and mandates of youth work in relation to other actors, for example, school, and this thus a necessary precondition for a well-functioning cross-sectoral cooperation. Not the least is a clear and stringent policy necessary if public administration should be able to manage resources in an aware and efficient manner. This is why this section of the Charter contains bullet points regarding both policy as such and the process of policy development. Have a nice process. Go for change.